Welcome to another technology tidbit in 2 minutes or less. Today we are going to focus on how to use Google Forms. So we're just going to look at the beginning parts of how to access the form. This is part one, and then on part two you'll see how to access the data. The first thing we want to do is sign into your Google Apps account. So you have a couple of different ways to get there. You can use the toolbar up at the top where you can access your FCPS Google Apps account, or you can go to google.com and log in. This school year, you will be able to use the same password that you use for your email accounts as well. So once you get into your Google Drive, you have a few options. You can come over here where you see the little tools over here where you can go ahead and find it, or you can come over here to where it says New. Once I go to New, I'm going to go down to where it says More. I'm going to look for the Google form. And once this opens, I have an opportunity to fill in my Google Forms. So I want to use back to school night as an example. So I'm going to call this back to school night. And you can add a description here if you like. Parents, please enter information. And then I can go ahead and add my first question. And the first question is always good about getting names. So, parent, first name. I have an option of what kind of question I want, and since I want the parents to type this in, a short answer will be perfect. And this will allow the parents to enter their information right here. I do want this to require a question, meaning I do not want them to skip this. I have an option to duplicate this or throw this in the trash. But if I want to add another question, I'm going to go ahead and click add question, and here I can go ahead and put the parent last name, and I want to do the same choice that I did before as a short answer. Now if this was multiple choice, you would have those options too. You can also add pictures as well, but we're just going to keep this simple for our tip today. You'll also see that you have some additional options to make it a little bit more customized with colors, and you can also give it a preview. So now, once I do send, you are able to grab the link. So you can get a shortened URL so that web link is not so long. Go ahead and copy that. Once you have that, you can send that out. And this is what your form will look like. Back to school night, parents will be able to enter their names and their last name and submit. That's a quick way on gathering information for back to school night.